Hi everyone, welcome back to Narayana's virtual class for grade 4. Today our topic is plants making and storing food, and the topic is selected from Sadhana workbook of the page number 3 and 4. What we are going to solve here is answer the following questions in one or two sentences. Answer the following in one or two sentences. In the previous class we have answered them in one word. Now we are going to answer in one or two sentences. Here we go with our first question. What will you find on the underside of a leaf if you put it under a microscope? If you observe a leaf under a microscope, what do we find in it? We'll find it out. Okay. We find small pores when a leaf is kept under microscope. What do we call these small pores? These small pores are called as stomata. These small pores are called stomata. What the stomata do? Stomata absorb the carbon dioxide from the air and helps in the process of making food. We'll go to the next question. What do green leaves need in order to make food? As we know that plants prepare their own food. In the process of making food, what are essentials? What are important? Primarily, it requires sunlight, what else? Carbon dioxide, and water. These three are very much essential. Are needed by green leaves in order to make food. So sunlight, carbon dioxide and water, these are the essential things required by the green leaves to make their own food. Moving on to the next question. How do stomata help a plant? Stomata is the tiny pores. They are these tiny pores present in the leaf. What they do? Okay, they'll answer it. Stomata absorb the carbon dioxide and helps the plant to prepare food. So stomata absorbs the carbon dioxide and allows the air to pass through it and help the plant to prepare its own food. Now going to the fourth one. In what form is extra food stored in the plants? The extra food, after preparing the food, that is glucose, plants store this glucose in different parts. In what form? Okay. Plants store extra food in the form of starch. Starch in leaves, stem, fruits and roots. This extra food which is stored in these parts, we are taking as our food. Coming to the last question, not the last but one. What do you mean by the term photosynthesis? What do you mean by the term photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is the process of making food by the plant using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight is known as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis, it is a process of making food by the plants in the presence of sunlight using carbon dioxide and water. We move on to the next one. Now here comes the last question of this session. Name any two insectivorous plants. You know what are insectivorous plants? Yes, insectivorous plants are those plants which receive the nutrients by eating the insects. Because they don't have chlorophyll, they have to depend on other small insects. They eat them and receive all the required nutrients. Those are called as insectivorous plants. Can you name any two of them? Yes, those are pitcher plant and Venus flytrap. These are the well-known insectivorous plants. What they do, they'll catch the insects. How they will catch? They produce a kind of fragrance. A smell is produced by them. Insects get attracted to them, and when insects come closer to them, when they sit on those flowers, what they do? They trap the insects inside them and eat them. This is how they attract the insects, and after eating them, they receive all the nutrients required from the insects. That is why they are called as insectivorous plants. Okay students, I think you have understood everything clearly, and in the next session we'll move forward. Okay, thank you.